Hello and welcome to Crafts and Teas. Today I have a tumbler that I need to do. So I thought I would do a tutorial, as a lot of people wonder how to do them with the Cricut mug press. This right now is how I do all my tumblers. So when I start, I go up to Create Design. I am in Canva. Okay, you can get a free version of Canva. I do have the Canva Pro, which allows me to do a little bit more. It is a paid one that I pay for every month, but it allows me to do a lot more than what the free version does. So you'll go to Create Design up here in the right corner. Down here at the bottom, you will hit Custom Size. And it's always in pixels, so you'll want to change that to inches. And then mine are 9.4 by 8.3. And then you'll hit Create New Design. Okay, so once you have your design uploaded, you'll come over here, click on it, and it brings it here. So you're going to take each corner and go just about to the edge there. You're going to take the bottom corner and do the same. Then you have little tabs here, so we'll just take each one. So there's your design. Now, yes, you do have to flip the design. You can do it one of two ways. Up here, if you have a tendency when you go to print to forget to flip or mirror your image, you can do it right here in Canva. It'll flip it for you. Flip horizontal. And now it is mirrored. So then all you have to do is go up here to the share button. You're going to click download. I always do as a PDF print. If you have more than one page, make sure you hit where it says select pages. Hit the drop down, uncheck all pages. You can hit current page, which will be the one you're working on. Hit done, hit download. You'll go to your download folder, and it always pulls up in Adobe for me. So once you have this, you're ready to print. Hit your print button. And I have two sublimation machines and a regular printer. So I have to make sure before I go to print that I'm on the right printer. And this one, I want the sublimation printer. You go to properties, always landscape. I always do them at the paper matte, high quality. And then there's another tab for me. It says more options. Make sure the bi-directional printing is unchecked. And I'm going to uncheck this one because it is already mirrored from Canva. You'll hit OK. And you will hit print. Okay, once your design is printed from your sublimation printer, I use the HTV Ront sublimation paper always, and these are the PYD Life 20-ounce skinny tumblers. I get these off Amazon. I get the paper off Amazon, and I can put some links at the bottom as well. So I line it up. And I know I have to cut some. So I wrap it around and then I cut. So I'm only going to have about 1/4 of an inch to do my seams and tape down. So I will cut this. Okay, once you have it cut, I have just a little bit of an overlap. And I usually take it and make it real snug. And then I tape my first piece, and then as I'm doing it, I also rub it and take it across. Go towards the top. Tape dispenser came off of Amazon. Holds 2 rolls of tape, which is nice. I do have my mug press heating up. And then I go all the way around the top. So this is what mine always look like when I get done taping them. I go all the way around the top. I go all the way around the bottom. There is a little plastic made-in tag right here. I always take that off because it is plastic. And then I tape everything up the middle. When I do them in the mug press, I always have one of these, which is a straw from one of the 20-ounce tumblers. And then I also have these silicone sleeves. It's a 3-pack that I got off Amazon. There's 3 different sizes, and this is the middle one. Okay, once your mug press is ready, you'll hear it beep. The green light will be on. And I usually start with the bottom down. This I put in first. Set my mug on top of it. I put the straw in, the metal, then my tumbler, and then I have the sleeve that goes around it. I usually go about halfway down, put it in, and I do this side for 4 minutes. So after the first 4 minutes, it will beep, turn it around. The seam is now facing that way. I re-put it back in with this at the bottom. I do pull that out once I shut it. There's your sleeve, and this will go for 2 minutes. So the 2 minutes is up. I have lifted the lid. I do have a cooling mat that I always use on my tumblers because they come out extremely hot. And I also do use a pair of heat gloves. I got these on Amazon. I got the mat on Amazon as well. But these you will definitely want for your hands because these mugs do get hot. So now that that is completed, what I will do is flip it over. And I will be putting it in this way, seam towards me, bottom up. And the same concept, I will put this in at the bottom, my silicone around it, 4 minutes on this side, 2 minutes on the other side. All right, now is for the reveal. So it just came out. This is always the fun part. Seeing the reveal. Now keep in mind, when you take it out of the press, it is still hot. So please always put at least one glove on while you're taking this off. You will burn your hands if you don't. not saying this is the only way to do tumblers. I have tried different techniques. I do a lot of things trial and error. I have some cups I messed up on, and you're going to. Not all of my cups turn out perfect. I try to, but... So, let me put my other... It's still hot, so let me put my other glove on. That there is no ghosting at the bottom, nor is there any ghosting at the top. That is my tumbler. That is the way I do all my tumblers. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. I have no problem whatsoever helping somebody out. If you're struggling, let me know. I'd be more than happy to, to walk you through or see if there's a step or something that I might be able to help you with. I have been crafting and creating for over 25 years. I've been doing tumblers for over 4 or 5 years. I do wreaths and wreath making supplies, the signs and everything else, t-shirts I do. So I do a wide range of items. So hopefully this video was helpful. Comment, like, share, subscribe to my channel. I will be doing, my goal for 2024 is to be doing more videos, more DIY, more tips and tricks. So I look forward to the next one for you guys. Hope this was helpful for everybody. Thank you.